Here's a quick tutorial for those of you who are maybe transitioning from iPhone, or maybe you just don't like the buttons on the bottom here, right? Um, we're gonna see if we could turn that into a swipe gesture for the most part. So yeah, just get rid of these two, well, these three here, mainly the back. I forgot what these other twos do, but yeah, just first thing you want to do is you want to go into settings. I usually just swipe up. I type it out. It's always easier, quicker to find that way. Once we get into settings, you want to slide down to you see display. In display, we want to go all the way down until we hit the navigation bar. Go ahead and click on that. And now that we're in here, just toggle on swipe gesture. I also like to put on this circle to search, and then the edge panel out here makes your life way easier. All right, so from here now we're back at the home screen, and basically all the simple options like, that you had in iPhone, where let's say you go into an app, to exit you pull back, or to go back in general you pull back, but to exit out to the home screen you swipe up. These are all now here for you. Also, the bar on the side here, the edge panel, which we set up, you're able to customize, well, easily access apps that you think that you want to, and then customize them to your liking right here. Just click this right here on the bottom, boom, and then you're able to put whatever apps you want in there. So just everything about it makes life easier. And then my favorite would be the circle to search option, where you can just find literally anything, right? So let's say let's say we have this this guy right here, and I want to figure out what this is. So what I want to do is I want to go here. Instead of even taking that picture, I can just press this circle to search option and then just circle that entire picture, and you'll see very quickly they tell you exactly what that is. Really cool feature to have. I know I gave y'all a lot more than y'all asked for, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's about it for the video. Thanks.